Consonant sounds B, D, F, G, H, J. English alphabet has 21 consonants. Out of them, 18 always make the same sound. Let's review them first. Baby bear wants a big balloon. Dark dog wants a donut. Fish with the fin wants a fig. Good goat wants to play guitar. Jaguar wants juicy jelly. Hippo wants hat with hearts. Consonant sounds K, L, M, N, P, R. King size kiwi fruit. Muffin. Peppy pizza. Lot of lemonade. Noodles to nibble. Round raisin. Consonant sounds S, T, V, W, Y, Z. They sit to see the sun set. Yak eats yogurt. Yum, yum. Walrus wears a watch. Vulture plays a violet violin. They all listen. 2 tortoises have come. Zebra runs zigzag, zigzag. Consonant sounds C, Q, X. Each of the 3 consonants make 2 different sounds. Let's know these words. Cent, circle, cone, cake, quilt, quill, unique, antique, fix, exit, exercise, exam. Quiz time! Match pictures with their beginning sound letter.
Yes, you are right. Yes, you picked. Great. That's the right answer. Great. That's the right answer. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right.
Complete words by writing their ending sound letter. Vowels meet consonants. Repeat poem after ma'am. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels say hi to you. Fat, bag, van has vowel A. First one in the vowel tray. Pen, hen, den has vowel E. 2 of them in the tree. tin, wig, bit has vowel I. I use it to call me I. Dog, hot, fox has vowel O. 1 in 2 and 2 in 2. Mug, gun, rub has vowel U. These are the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Let's meet consonants too. Using A, an. A is used before words starting with consonants and an is used before words starting with vowels. Now, listen to the story and observe. It was a dark night. There was a loud noise. Boom! A cat was sleeping. She woke up. An alligator was sleeping. He woke up. A hen was sleeping. She woke up. An elephant was sleeping. He woke up. The cat, alligator, hen, and elephant came out to see. A big rocket was going beep, beep. A man came out of the rocket. He wore a big helmet on his head. He smiled to them and said, "Hi there! I am an astronaut. Nice to meet you all."